Hi, I am Kalarimti from LionAI. Smart people study differently. You click this video, you may be a smart person. You are probably someone who wants to remember more with less effort. Want to become a NotebookLM power user? This video is just one episode in complete NotebookLM series. Watch the full playlist on LionAI and discover every feature step by step. Do you remember how we use yellow highlighters on important notes before exams? We did that because our brain remembers information better when we actively focus on it. Today, I'm going to show you how to do the same thing digitally. According to learning science, the best way to remember something is through active recall, focusing your brain to bring the answer back from memory. And today I'm going to show you a powerful AI tool that does this automatically using your own study materials. This is the flashcards feature inside NotebookLM. Search NotebookLM and go to NotebookLM. Let's quickly introduce a LionAI product. This mobile application developed by myself, and let's see it. Just type or speak your task naturally. Next Friday I have a meeting at 3:30 p.m. Task Genius AI creates automatically. Turn on assistant mode. Even when the app is closed, a floating assistant shows today's task on your screen. Today's tasks from anywhere. Try NotebookLM. Create new notebook. You simply upload your PDF, notes, or study resources, and within seconds, it generates smart flashcards for you. But here's the coolest part. So instead of passively reading for hours, you are actually training your brain to remember information effectively. Now let's jump into the tool and see how it works. Now click this arrow icon in this area. I click this arrow icon. Number of cards mean you can choose to generate fewer, standard, or more cards depending on how much time you have to study. Level of difficulty means you can set the cards to easy, medium, or hard. Easy is great for new material to build confidence. Simple question for beginners. Medium is balanced question for normal learning. Hard is best for finding your weak spots once you know the basics. In this area, this section lets you tell NotebookLM exactly what the flashcard should focus on. You can give special instruction like which topic to cover, how the question should be created. Now I click this generate button. Now flashcard is created. Read the question on the card. Think of your answer in your head. Press space to flip it and see the answer. Rate yourself using the buttons at the bottom. Click this, got it right. Click this, got it wrong. If a flashcard answer feels confusing or too short, you can just click the explain button and the AI will break it down in a simple way until you fully understand it. You can navigate between cards by pressing these arrow buttons. This is the end of session summary screen after completing all flashcards. Now I am going to click this see full report, and if you need to practice again, you can click this practice again button. Then you can select all cards or only cards you missed in drop down menu. I press this only cards you missed. Then you can again practice these flashcards like before.